nobody's watching. Hello everyone, check it in here. We have diagnosed what went wrong with the ABS, and it is the ABS pump. This is the old one. This has already got like a lot of cleaning detergent stuff on it. This is a new one that we're putting on, new used one. This has been living in a very, very unsuitable environment. It has been living in there. That's button willow dust, Midwest leaves, and Road Atlanta gravel. Where else? Mid-Ohio tire barrier. What else has been in here? I don't actually know. There's way too many stuff. I still have button willow dust right above us, as you can see. But yeah, that's probably part of the reason what killed the ABS. Generally, years of abuse. Now we're gonna clean it up, so hopefully the new one can live a little better. Headlight bracket, the smaller one down here, we're ordering a new one. That was bent up as hell. New fenders here, new bumpers here, new splitters coming tomorrow. New belt and pulley for the supercharger. Up the power to like at least 15 pounds of boost. Oh my god.
Was it like a
there's
like a mouse nest in there?
I do not know. This is a goddamn habitat in here. Wow.
Holy shit.
There's more. This is soil. There were things growing here. It's wet. How did I do this? I do not know. Wow. Old messed up one, new one. All messed up. New one is much better.
This is the only angle you can shoot it from.
Well, Alex is busy trying to fit up our racing heat exchanger. It's kind of dirty.
Shit on your car, Jack. You have too much shit.
I've been cleaning the fittings off the oil AccuSump, and this is just all dirt. Oh, this is all button willow.
This is all button willow.
This is all button willow.
You literally transport part of button willow to Illinois.
Yeah, well, button willow to Illinois. Clean the insides too. Oh, this is still wet. What the fuck? Okay, look at that. This is what I cleaned straight away. Well, while we're at it, this is a good thing. You know, you crash a car, then you actually have the excuse to have to take it apart and wipe things clean. Jesus Christ! And here is a new piece that we're having. This is made by Racebread. This is their quick release splitter bracket. This is really easy. You literally pull this pin out. This slides right off, and then when you put it back in, you slide up, in, put the pin back in, and you're done. But this new splitter that we're coming in is gonna be interesting, so pretty excited to show you guys later. Shall we just say the Group A fenders actually fit reasonably well, thanks to this guy who's
fits really well on a bented car.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's also the fact that we actually used the fender to line up the bracket.
We use the fender to like line everything else up.
Yeah, because everything else is so bented, like we assume the fender is straighter than the car. So
really is.
Yeah, we actually use the fender to line up the brackets to know where to like bend the bracket back to.
So it's good now. Look at it. The only problem being we have two 85 tires coming, and this is on a 265. And just to show the amount of clearance that we have in terms of tire room, we ain't got 20 mil, dudes. We ain't got 20 mil. So how we're gonna do this, I have no idea. Yeah, we need like this. I think this is like 4 degrees already, so I don't know how we're gonna. We might be maxed out.
Yeah, more camber.
So
more camber.
More camber, or more over fenders. To fit over fenders.
Over fender on top of over fender.
Yes, I still have a Voltex flare. I might just throw that on here and just like splitters here, splitters here, splitters here. We gotta get started. Let's go, Alex.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, this is nice. There's 3 of these now, so that should be even stiffer. Just a little bit. Every little bit helps. I think this is also lighter than before.
You think so?
Yeah, because it was multiple pieces. It was like 6 pieces last time.
Never worked. Oh, actually, I did work on the last one.
Yeah, a little bit.
Right before you destroyed it.
I think it's just not quite wide enough, right? You are amazing, thank you.
So amazing.
I know, right? Master fabricator.
Yes.
Perfect.
Does it fit? Perfect. Oh my god, look at that.
Perfect. All right, we just need to chop that later. Chop the back end later.
Yeah, well, mine did not even need to chop the back end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So in case you guys don't know what that is going to be our reinforcement piece. That's yeah.
And then we need to do is let's bolt this on first.
Yep.
Secure this.
This needs to be first. Yep.
And then this onto the car.
Yep.
Then we do something about this.
Yep. Yep.
All right.
Perfect. Can we just see the backside of how far of it is Lumilite?
Shit's not gonna bend.
Oh my god! I actually kind of like how this is like.
Yeah, shit's not gonna bend.
This ain't gonna bend.
And we can duct tape this, so it's like fucking like a like a rounded edge.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
It will be glorious.
Don't rip this off at Atlanta. Don't rip this off. I'm actually going to be upset.
To be honest, with how nice we're like you as an individual and me just watching, it's so nice now. This is the nicest splitter I think I've ever had.
All right.
Going on the car.
Let's go in the car.
Okay, ready? Like go from the front. We need to go below this first one.
Okay.
And then up. Yeah. Are we golden?
For now. All right. Then next part is figure out how high we need to go. But this is should be good.
Once we tighten that up,
Yeah, it should be good.
like the center. Oh my god.
This and that. Well, this is not tightened yet.
Yeah, we can tighten that.
Yeah.
Or we can decide the height, like after. Let's put the bumper on. Yep.
This will do.
Yep. This is the smart idea
Very precision engineering here.
Alex has come up with. I don't know if it's enough actually, dude. Will that be enough?
Is this gonna be like sticking out of the front bumper?
Oh shit.
Kind of very close.
It's very close.
I want to make it as nice as possible at least. What if we like did do it sideways a little?
Yeah, actually sideways might be okay.
Right?
I'm okay with that.
Alright, let's do 14 sideways.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, let's see. You do that. You do that.
Press the shit out of it. There we go.
No. Where's your nuts?
Jackie can't find his nuts. That is some angle.
You like it?
That is some
If it stalls, not my fault.
I think
Jackie said 14 inches.
14 to 13 and a half. I didn't know it was this much angle. Damn.
Told you, doesn't need like an inch.
I'm gonna say I think we need to go.
Put the end plate on and see if it's like kind of close.
Kind of.
Worst case, we just elongate one of the holes a little, because it's still gonna tension it.
Not wildly off.
This is so redneck. I don't even know it's gonna work. I hope it does.
I'd say this is too much angle because you can see like
Yeah.
printed words do. That's not bad.
We probably should take a little bit out of this.
Damn. Damn. That's going in. You did a Naruto run too? I think then it'll
Still
be
a
just
little bit too much.
just a little bit too much tension. But it's much closer. Yo, I think we got it. Dude.
You like it?
Yes.
All right.
I actually think
All right. We need to reinforce it to the car now.
that's pretty much it. That's
Alright.
the tunnel we need. The splitter is mostly built. We just need to figure out a way to connect it to the car now. The race bed splitter is good. The bracket is pretty good. That's gonna help us make this whole process much easier. But we need some more extra, supports because, as you know, the brackets will be around there and there. So we need some support on the very edges and as well as at the back of the splitter. So that's where we stand at the end of day 2, I think. Day 1 we didn't really do anything. We just sat around.
we didn't do
anything. Okay. Anyway, ABS is fixed. So
This is actually just one afternoon.
this is just one afternoon. Yeah, the morning we didn't do anything.
Morning we did the fender.
Oh yeah, we did a fender, the bumper, and the light. Wow, shit, we did so much today.
I know we actually did something today.
Wow.
I'm proud.
The car's coming back together. I drove it a little bit, which is happy. The car just works again.
Oops,
You just
I'm
ran
sorry.
into the doggo.
Yep.
Oh, sorry, Roxy. We are undertaking probably the scariest bit for me. Never used an air tool. Never used an air tool. I'm really scared. That's why I've gone for multiple layers of protection. And yeah, we'll see. We need to cut that bit out. We need to cut that bit out and maybe trim other places as well. Yeah, I really don't know. We'll see how this goes. Let's hit it. Incoming! I think they hold this. Hold on. Breathe. Bumper is trimmed. It fits pretty well. We reduced the angle a little bit so we won't stall it out. Now just drilling the holes out bigger for the base plates. Arrows coming back together, body parts back together. We're doing some minor engine upgrades as well. Minor engine upgrades / maintenance. The pulley has been swapped out. This is now a 3-inch pulley from a 3 point down from a 3.8, meaning we have way more boost. And we're changing out the MAF sensor to one. Is that a grams unit or
Skunk 2?
Skunk 2 unit. Yep. Throttle body is also being changed. This was the Ballade Sport 17mm throttle bodies. The problem is it keep throwing a code, and we couldn't figure out why. So Ballade happily sent me a brand new replacement for the unit. So we'll be testing that one out. Hopefully, no more codes and no more weird issues where I would be on track and still it would just lose power. I would just thought it wouldn't work. So jacketing in here.
Yeah, start it up and you just test drive around the building.
Test drive around the building.
Yeah, make sure everything drives normal, drives smooth.
Okay.
If you want to shut the hood,
There's a whatever this is. Probably not supposed to.
Old map
the stock one.
Okay.
Just make sure there's
Just hang on to that.
Okay. Oh, first test drive. Let's go.